Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Everglades 2008 350cc. Let's start with the exterior of the boat. You can see it's a beautiful blue. It's got the stainless steel rub rail, recessed cleats, which is especially good when you're fishing. You don't catch the lines or anything on it. And then if you notice all the way down at the bow, we've got a really nice deep V and with a nice flared bow. So it's going through rough water, it'll handle it very, very well. So gorgeous looking boat. It's powered by the Yamaha. Let's go with the hard top. You get the matching underside of the hard top. It's white on the top, blue underneath, which really sets it off really sharp. And it's loaded up with pretty much everything you're going to want up there, and we'll see the rest of it when we get up there. And then we have the dive ladder. So it's set up that you can close it up, push it in, get it out of the way. But if you have flippers on, you can board with the flippers on. So it's kind of a cool ladder. And then you get the Yamaha 350 4-stroke V8s. A ton of power for this boat. It's a 55 plus mile an hour boat. It's got twin underwater lights on it, and it's pretty much loaded up with everything. So let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are up on board the Everglades, and let's start at the back of the boat. This boat has all kinds of options on it. It has a large fish box right here to keep your catch in self-draining as well. And then you've got two options back here. You've got, if you're fishing, you've got the seats folded away, and if you're not fishing, they fold down. So you've got a couple of seats back here, 6 rod holders across the back. You've got a cutting station right here, large, wide live well. So plenty of room in here. Back to your recessed cleats, rod holders down on the sides. Got 2 rod holders here for the bigger rods. So one on port, one on starboard. And then your prep station here is another very large live well. So you've got 2. Look at this. This is real deep. You'll be able to handle all the bait. You'll be able to handle all the bait that you're going to want on that. You do have a fold-down seat like we did here. If you were fishing, you'd have it up. But if you're going out for a ride, it folds down as well. Cutting boards. 4 drawers on either side of the station. Got place for your hooks, place for your you got this actually will pull up. You can rinse things off. Actually handle it when you're going by, something to hold on to, which is nice. The helm area, you've got 2 I would call captain seats. Both are adjustable backwards and forwards. So really nice for 2 people sitting up front. And then we do have a ladder that goes up to the T-top. So very safe, very secure, going right up through the middle. Speakers, lights, more rod holders all the way around. You've got 2, 5, 7 more here. And as we are up at the helm area, we've got very large, the 2 large touchscreen Simrads, really, really nice. Obviously put in after the fact from when it was built. And you've got autopilot on it. Got all your rockers right in front of you, all your gauges, your tacks, everything, speed, fuel, everything right here. Up top, stereo, Raymarine, VHF. You've got your fish finder here, and you've got a really nice curved windshield in front of you right here. So it's a nice setup, nice. The vision is very nice off the to the front of the boat, the bow of the boat. And let's move. Actually, let's move to the head area. Now this does have a boat cover. It's a real big boat cover, so that's what's tucked down in there right now. It does have a sleeping area up there, or a lay down area there. If you need to get out of the sun, but sink with a pull out to clean yourself off, and a vacuum flush head. The seat, the back of that will actually pull down and make that a seat if you're changing your clothes and you're not sitting on the head itself. So very large, spacious head and little sleeping area if you needed it. As we move to the bow, very large space up here. So we've got the triple comfy with headrests on it, drink holders. So 3 adults very comfortably here. We've got it set up right now for cruising, sun pad type of thing. So that's where the cushions are all out. You've got rod holders on either side. So you've got 2 on port, 2 on starboard over here as well. This here, you take the cushion off, this will come up as a table. So you have a really nice big seating area for everybody on the bow. And then I'm just gonna hop up front. You've got a recessed anchor, so when you're standing up here, very large platform as far as fishing off the bow of the boat. And then you do have the really nice recessed anchor set up. You've got either a raw water or a freshwater washdown with the hose right here. So especially for rinsing the anchor components off, very important. Plenty of rod holders throughout the entire boat. So this boat is set up for fish, and for if you're not fishing, it will do the other things well as also. So the Everglades is a super boat. It'll handle the big water very, very well. It's fast, fishes well, does your daytime things well also. So if you got any questions, you would like more information on it, my name is Bob Freeman. My number is 603-213-1194.